Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? So today we're going to
Put the stickers on.
yeah, today we're gonna teach how to count in Spanish.
From 1 to 50.
Yeah. So hola amigos, hoy vamos a tratar de aprender cómo contar de 1 a 50 in 3 easy ways, en 3 maneras fáciles. It's gonna be fun, easy, and creative. ¿Están listos? Vamos.
First one is uno.
Un sticker, una estampilla.
Uno. Dos.
2,
Tres.
3,
Cuatro.
4,
Cinco.
5,
Seis.
maravilloso. ¿Están aprendiendo?
Sí. Siete.
Wow, wow. Ya vamos hasta el 7.
Ocho.
8,
Nueve.
9.
10.
Whoa, we got 10.
11.
11. Isn't this fun?
12.
12.
13.
Whoa.
14. 15.
15.
16.
7.
17. 18.
19.
19. 20.
20. 21. 21. Hey,
22.
so how about whole 23 in English? In Spanish, 23.
24. 24.
24. Usando estampillas es algo muy divertido que puedes hacer en casa. 25.
26.
Friends your friends can see him? No, a little lower, mama.
28. 28.
Yeah, 28 is 28. Yeah, we're doing super great. 29, 29. 29.
30.
Whoa. In English, what is it? 30.
31. 31.
We're getting closer. 32. 33. 33.
34.
But as you can see,
35.
she likes to be a little crazy with her stickers. Yeah, her big sister here is helping her out a little bit.
36, guys.
36.
37.
37.
37.
Whoa.
38.
38.
38.
Whoa.
39. 39. 40.
40. There you go. This is cool.
We have 9 more. 41.
Whoa, we're getting close. We're gonna go close to 50. This is 43.
3. 44.
44.
44.
Whoa. Yeah, so big sister's showing her where to position it. Perfect. I think bottom line here is we're all having fun with the stickers.
Okay.
Todos nos estamos divirtiendo. 45, 45.
46.
Whoa.
46, guys. Almost there. 47. Two more, guys. 2 more. 48. Almost there. 48 right there. 1 more, guys.
48.
49.
49. 49. We got it. We got it. We got it. 50. 50. Buen trabajo. Buen trabajo a todos.
I'm gonna get some.
Okay. Well, I don't know what. I know this is a mystery here. Remember what we said about fun, creative, And just bottom line, having a lot of fun.
Guys, look at those toys over there.
Oh yeah, but right now, look at that. Yeah, look at all those toys. We have a collection of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have. Hey, look at that. We have Christian over there drawing on the board,
I want to draw.
just having fun. He's also learning at the same time. Yeah, we're all learning here at the same time. Everyone is.
Take some stickers that we want.
Yeah, go ahead, grab some stickers. Yeah,
Oh, yay.
yeah, there you go.
I want to
Yeah, chrome.
I want to choose. Oh, I can't even choose because I can't see any light. Okay.
Yeah, just choose. Go ahead, choose one. Then we have over there Christian, right here, Christian playing with Simba from The Lion King.
Oh, I take this one. Now I'm going to open my Chrome. There you have it, guys. This is easy. This is easy, fun, and creative.
3 easy steps. There you have it.
Easy steps.
That's how you learn. You can learn how to count in Spanish en tu casa, at your house with your parents, from 1 to 50. You can also teach your parents. It's like in Spanish, de 1 a 50, 1 to 50. Well, there you have it. Well, thank you from Melo's Box.
Right there. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Yep.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
And hit that notification button. And share. Huge thumbs up.